Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to EVS online classes. As we finish our first lesson, now we are in second lesson. That is, who does what work? As usual, I am going to ask some questions. Manoj, please stand up and tell me who does cook food for your family? It's your mother, right? Who does bring vegetables for your family? A grandfather brings vegetables for a family. Who does wash clothes, clean house in your family? A grandmother washes the clothes and cleans the house. Very good. Every member of your family does a different kind of work to run a house. Good. Do you know anything about how they get money to buy provisions, vegetables, etc.? Don't you? Yes. A father is working outside to get money or to get income. Then, what about your grandfather? He is also working outside. Very good. What about your mother and grandmother? They are also working outside. Nice. So, everybody is working to get income to run a house. Today's our topic is who does what work. Children, please open your EVS textbook, page number 12. What do you see on the page? There is a picture, right? Who all are there in the picture? A little girl, a boy, father, mother, grandfather, and grandmother. Observe the picture and tell me what are they doing. The boy is sweeping the surroundings of the house. The girl is fetching water from outside. And what is the father doing? He is cutting the firewood, right? What is the mother doing? Mother is cleaning the house. Very good. What is the father doing? He is watering the plants. What is the grandmother doing? Grandmother is drying the clothes. Okay. Reading text, page number 12. This is Kamala's house. Kamala's parents, grandparents, and her younger brother live in their house. Kamala's mother and father help each other in the household work. Kamala and her brother help their parents. Kamala's grandparents involve themselves in the work done at home. In this way, all the members of the family help to run the house. This is Kamala's house. Already we learned that in some families, grandparents also will be there. Am I right? Here, in Kamala's house, their grandparents also live with them. How nice, no? Do you like your grandparents? Yes. Kamala's father and mother help each other in household work. Kamala and her brother help their parents. Her grandparents also involved in the work done at home. Like this, all the members of the family help to run the house. Such a great thing. By observing this picture and reading this text, you have understood one thing. That is, you should help your parents in their household works. Okay? Now, let's move to the next page. Reading text, page number 13. Besides working at home, the elders in the family carry out different kinds of work. That is, in agricultural fields, factories, offices, construction of houses, laying of roads, etc. The family gets income through the various work done by them. I repeat, besides working at home, the elders in the family carry out different kinds of work, that is, in agricultural fields, factories, offices, construction of houses, laying of roads, etc. The family gets income through the various work done by them. Children, besides working at home, the elders of the family do different kinds of works outside. Why? To earn income. It may be in offices, in factories, in schools, in hospitals, in agricultural fields, etc. Now, fill in the following table with the kind of work done by the members of your family. First heading is name of the member. Second heading is work done at home. Third heading is work done outside for home. For income. First member is father. Work done at home is brings provisions. Work done outside for income is daily labor. Next member is mother. She cooks food. Work done outside is daily labor. Next member is grandfather. He brings vegetables. Work done outside for income is same, daily labor. Next member is grandmother. She cleans the house. Work done outside for income is daily labor only. Children, you can write your own answer. Now, let's go to the next topic, helping each other. Next topic is helping each other. Lata, please stand up and tell me, what would you do if one of your friends unable to draw a picture because she doesn't have crayons and sketch pens? Yes, you will help her. How can you help her? You will give crayons and sketch pens to her. Very good. Helping each other is a good thing. We should help our friends, classmates, parents, grandparents, and neighbors. But how can you help your family members and parents? By doing small works and things at your homes, like bringing vegetables from the shop, cleaning the house. You should help each other to clean the house, to maintain neatness in the house, and you can run your house perfectly by helping each other. Children, please open your textbook, page number 13. There are two pictures on the page, right? One is on the left side and one is on the right side. First, we will talk about the picture which is on the left side. There are two oxes and two people in the picture. No? On the one is father and the other one is son. What is the father doing there? Father is mixing the cattle feed and the boy is helping him in mixing and mashing the cattle feed. Now we talk about the second picture which is on the right side. Who are there in the picture? Grandfather, grandmother, father, mother and children. What are they doing? Grandfather is blowing the balloon for the boy. Grandma is helping the girl to wear a dress. Father is cooking and the mother is bringing the vessel into the hall. They both are helping each other in cooking. Okay. Have you understood? Reading text, page number 13. You have learned that the members in the family do different kinds of work. Each adult in the family does a different kind of work. Some work is shared by all. Now, already we discussed about this picture. In the picture, both men and women are working. Is it alright for the father to cook? Yes. Next one is, do the members in your family help each other in the same way in doing things? Yes, of course. Next, what kind of work do you do? Who do you help? Yes, you will bring vegetables from the shop. You will help in bringing provisions from the shop. You will help in fetching water, cleaning the house, etc. You will help your mother, father, and grandparents also. Next, name the things that are done by the members together in your family. Cleaning the house, watering the plants, etc. Shall we move to the next page, page number 14? Discuss, fill the table with the particulars. Ask any 6 of your classmates about the kind of work their parents do. What work is done by them collectively? Fill the table with the information collected. First heading is name of the friend. Next one is work done by the mother. Next one is work done by the father. Next one is work done collectively. Now I am going to write Ravi's name first. Ravi. Work done by the mother is daily labor. Work done by the father is daily labor. Work done collectively is cleaning the house. Now second one, Rama. Work done by the mother is homemaker. Work done by the father is lorry driver. Work done collectively is fetching water. Children, I have done 2 for you. You can complete the table and write the answers for the questions given below. Okay. Let's wind up today. Meet you in next class. Be safe, be happy, have a fantastic day. Thank you.